After the zip file is imported with the CSV file listing the people, and the images folder containing the photos of those people, you can begin configuring face recognition. Select Management under the Face Recognition option in the Configuration menu. Select a person from the management list in the top pane of the page. The person's primary image is displayed in the Details pane, along with his or her name, and group assignments. By default, a person is assigned to a group according to the group name listed in the CSV file from which the person was imported into the database. To assign a person to another group, click on a group in the Available Groups list. Click the right arrow to move the group to the Assign Groups column. Save the change. Next, select the Images tab. The image pool contains images that were uploaded with the CSV file, or were uploaded separately. The currently selected image is highlighted by a blue box. If an image does not meet the requirements for face recognition, it is highlighted with a red box. In this example, the selected image is designated as the primary image. The primary image is displayed with any face recognition events generated for this person. A selected image can either be set as a primary image, or deleted. Note that when an image is designated as the primary image, it cannot be deleted. To delete the image, select another image to be the primary image. Check Primary Image to change that setting for this person. A prompt is displayed to save the change. Up to 10 photos can be associated with a person. While photos for each person can be uploaded in the zip file, additional photos also can be associated with a person by uploading the image through the management page. As previously mentioned, photos are imported into the face recognition database, and matched to a name in the database. The most important consideration for accurate face recognition is a good photo in the database. One method to ensure excellent photos is to follow the guidelines set for U.S. passport photos. The passport photo requirements are available from this site. Examples of good and bad photos are available at this website. A free, online tool is also available for cropping and resizing photos to the proper size for the face recognition database. The tool can be accessed at this website. Select a blank image placeholder. Click Upload. Select a file and follow the prompts. No standard naming format is needed for images that are imported individually through this option. The images are renamed in the database and associated with the person. The image is added to the database and associated with the person. An individual person also can be added from the management page. Click Add. Start with the General tab. Enter the person's first and last names. Optionally, add the middle name, preferred name, and a description. Assign a group to the person. A group must be assigned to the person to be included in face recognition. Next, add the images for the new person. Select a blank image box. A box must be selected before uploading an image. Click Upload. Navigate to an image for the person. Select an image. Click Upload in the dialog box to load the file into the database. Other images can be added at this time, or later. Click Save to add this person to the database. A message is displayed to remind you to restart the video analytic on each camera running the groups associated with this user. Click OK. The first image uploaded for this becomes the primary image, unless another image was selected during the add process. The new person is listed in the management table at the top of the page. A reminder: if another user updates the table, click the refresh button to update the list in your browser. To delete a person from the face recognition database, select that person from the list in the management table. Click Delete. A confirmation message is displayed. Click Yes to delete this record from the face recognition database. Note that the images imported for this person are tied to this record in the database. If the same person is re-added later, a new record is created and the images must be re-imported. Next, the groups are configured. Click Groups in the Face Recognition menu. Groups are created with a group name field included in a CSV file that is imported into the database, as shown earlier in this tutorial. Groups also can be created, configured and deleted on this page. This page contains a list of face recognition groups, and the number of people in each group. The Group Details pane displays the group's name, and an optional description. The face pool lists the people available to add to this group. The Assigned to Group list contains the people included in the group. These lists can be searched using the search fields below each list. The face recognition database can be partitioned into specific groups. Note that face recognition groups are configured and used separately from permissions groups. Face recognition groups are not used with the permissions settings. Face recognition groups are assigned to cameras that are running that video analytic. A group assignment narrows the database search for a match when running the analytic. So instead of searching the entire database, or face pool, the analytic has a predefined set of people and images to which the face capture is compared. Using groups improves management of the database, and provides the ability to recognize a specific group of people on a per-camera or deployment basis. For example, groups can be created for employees, contractors, or VIP customers. Face recognition groups can be in either an open or closed environment. A closed environment contains only the people whose images are already in the database. Closed environments identify known people, such as employees, and typically have higher face recognition accuracy. An open environment exists when most of the faces to be captured are not in the database. Open environments identify specific people from a large group of unknowns, such as people in a train station. To configure a group, select a group. Select a person in the face pool. Click the single arrow to move the person to the Assigned to Group list. The single arrow moves the selected person to the other list. The double arrows move all in the face pool to the Assigned to Group list. When a group is modified, the video analytic must be stopped and restarted for all cameras using that group. See the face recognition tutorial in the Operations module for instructions. A warning message is displayed to remind you of this step. Click OK to continue. To remove a person from a group, select the person in the Assigned to Group list. Click the single arrow to move the person back to the face pool. The warning is displayed to remind you to stop and restart the video analytic for any applicable cameras. Click OK to continue. Groups also can be added from this page. Click Add. Enter a group name. Enter a description of the new group. Select the people to add to the group. Note that when the cursor hovers over a selection in the face pool, a pop-up box displays the person's name, cardholder status, and primary image. Click the single right arrow to add the person to the group. The reminder to restart the video analytic on the applicable cameras is displayed. Note that if a group is given the same name as a previous group that was deleted, the group must be reapplied to the desired cameras. Click OK. The new group is added to the groups list at the top of the page. To apply this group, access the desired cameras in the Operations menu, and configure video analytics to use face recognition with this group. See the face recognition tutorial in the Operations module for instructions on applying this analytic. A group can also be deleted in this page. Select a group. Click Delete. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. Note that when a group is deleted, another group must be applied to the cameras running the face recognition video analytic with the deleted group. This concludes the configuration module tutorials. See the Analytics playlist for instructions on using video analytics and setting up face recognition on a camera.